Merry Christmas.
Like my pajamas.
You're beautiful. I do. Merry Christmas, everybody.
Oh my goodness.
Take a picture of him.
I'm already taking pictures. You're on video.
What is all
He's so cute.
This is from Santa.
Get
Oh my goodness.
Okay, I'll get out.
out. Look, he ate a cookie. And he drank his milk.
Oh, there's a note.
Look, he left a card.
He left a card for y'all.
Read it. Dear Evan, Melanie, Rudy, and Kristen, may the spirit of Christmas be with you through the coming year. Thank you for the cookies and milk. They were delicious. Remember to do your chores, be good at home and at school, and read books. Santa, wahoo.
Oh,
He's a great reader. I don't think I could read like that at his age.
you're such a good reader. Where's Nini? Oh. Oh no. Nini.
You're not going to wake him up.
Wake him up. He's gonna miss out. Just show him a gift. He'll wake up.
Open it. We're gonna open at the same time, Rudy. Hopefully we get from the big one. But we got it's from all of us. It's from me? No.